Wait, I forgot. I'm sorry. It's the hotel's fault, guys. Kasi, you know, like, ito kasi yung restroom. And ito yung room. And there's entrance. That's the door. Papunta dito. Tapos dito naman yung sliding para hindi mo maamoy yung... Yeah. Paano ka makalabas kung nalabas ka? Anyways, actually, ang ganda-ganda dito. To be honest. We're actually here in Fairfield, Marriott. By Marriott. Dito sa China. And today, well, may tour kami ngayon. Kakapunta pa lang namin dito sa hotel. And like the whole time, nasa airport lang kami at sa airplane. It was so frustrating and so... nakapagod. Anyways, guys. Hi! I'm back. It's me, Julian Barca. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Julian Barca, wait, no, Chris J. Barca. Sorry, I forgot. So for today's video, we're gonna have a Q&A. Ipipick ko lang yung mga nasa comments sa videos ko, so... Wait, let's go. Q&A with Chris J. Barca. May upcoming vlog ka ba sa ibang bansa? No. Sorry, pero like, I've been so stressed lately and nakakapagod mag-edit. So right now, what I've been focusing on is making skits. Yes! Anong oras ka normally nagigising? Normally, nagigising ako minsan 5 a.m. Pero kapag natulog ako ulit, magigising na ako 8. Pero minsan 7 din. Iba-iba rin naman kasi depending on the kung kailan ako natutulog. Pero ngayon, oh my god, I just remember. It's 12:17 a.m. na pala, tapos bukas magigising kami kaagad. Actually, mamaya dapat magising na ako kaagad 5 a.m. kasi aalis kami 6:30. Diba, ang chill ko pa dito. Okay. Whatever this is, kasama siya dito. Inamoy ko lang siya. Nung una kong pag-amoy sa kanya, it's very sensitive sa akin. Bigla siya bomba. What? Which do you prefer? Singing or dancing? Dancing? I think... Okay, fun fact. Share ko lang. Parang nung nag-start na ako mag-both singing and dancing nung 2024, which is grade 11. Start of grade 11. Kasi I wanted to do something. Yeah. I actually wanted to, since I wanted to become an actor, gusto kong mag-add ng talent ko. So, I knew that I was capable of learning how to sing and also dance. Wow! And, well, before I used to dance, but mga TikToks nang, I don't consider myself as a dancer before. Tapos nung year na yun, nag-join ako sa competition with a group of members, not me, I can't dance alone, guys. That's my first time, hello. Tapos, parang na-motivate lang ako bigla kasi parang may nag-ano sa akin. Like, you're so cool nga, Yal. You're so good at dancing. I don't know. So, I was like, okay, thank you. So, parang masaya na ako nag-dance. Tapos yung singing naman, nag-join lang ako sa club, which is Glee, a choir. So, yeah. It helped me a lot to improve my vocals. The only thing I hate about my singing is that my range. Ang low ng range ko. Like, I'm just a baritone, guys. So... Girl or boy? Siyempre, dun tayo sa malaki. Surprising! Wow! Oh, by the way, guys, I'm actually alone here in my room. Actually, dapat dito si daddy ko. Pero like, kasi nandun siya kala mami. Nagsama siya. Dalawa-dalawa lang dapat kasi kada room. Pero like, they want to be together. And ako gusto ko rin naman isolate. So yeah, that's why I'm here, alone. Career or love life? I've never experienced love. But like, I feel like depende yan sa event. Like, you never know, baka ma-fall ako sa isang tao tapos we'd be so like this. Tapos I got to choose between the two. That's annoying. Pero also, kung pareho kasi, syempre, if we're talking about career or love life, in career, we're talking about my dream. So, syempre yung dreams ko, it's important as well. But like, love is also important. Shut the fuck up. Puro lang ako dito nilo, so itatry kong inumin siya. Okay naman. May para siyang bulalo. I love bulalo. Sino iboboto mo sa next election sa Philippines? Siyempre dun tayo sa korap. Siyempre dun tayo sa Shiminat. Siyempre, joke lang. Uy, don't hate me. Guys, please don't attack me. Siyempre dun tayo sa palaging hindi present. Siyempre dun tayo sa palaging nagtra-travel lang. Siyempre dun tayo sa walang magagawa sa lipunan ng ating bayan, ng buong Pilipinas. Kasi yun rin naman ang gusto ng buong Pilipino, di ba? Mga tanga din kasi Pilipino. Uy, baka pala kung... Don't hate me, please. I'm just stating fact. Anyways, meron pa ba? Wala na, yun lang. Yun lang kasi ako lang gumawa ng lahat. Yeah. Hindi naman ako famous para magka-Q&A hello. Ako lang yung gumawa. Wala lang, para may magawa lang dito. Because I'm like home alone, I should do something, right? Naisip ko rin na gumawa ng skit sana. But at the same time, I have a lot of script that I've been doing. So I don't wanna add right now. Anyways, yun lang. Ba't ka pa nandito? Saan ka umalis? Bye-bye. Anyways guys, goodbye. Please subscribe, like, click the notification bell, and go watch my other vids. Kung saan man dyan nakapatong, hindi ko alam, hindi ko pa na-edit. Well, love lots. This is Chris here, Barsim.